What's up, guys? So today I'm going to the Citadel outlets with my buddy Simon. I'm at his house right now. Simon got a new car also. Check it out. This is it right here. Nice. Let's take a look at it. Here's the new Simon Mobile.
Oh yeah, it's the CHACH'S Mobile.
Yeah. How do you like it?
It's luxurious.
Luxurious. Nice.
Luxurious. It tells you when there's a blind spot right here, and this motherfucker won't get out of my blind spot so I can turn.
Oh, it's not?
Your destiny lies with me, Skywalker.
Oh. Beer thing?
The beer, but
Citadel outlets, it was a good meander. Neanderthal.
Okay.
What's up, guys? So I came home, ordered some pizza, and I'm going to pick it up. And no, at the outlets today, I didn't buy anything. I just went with my friend Simon to hang out. It was fun. I did something a little crazy, guys. I ordered one of the pizzas with barbecue sauce instead of regular tomato sauce. You can kind of tell. See, it's kind of like brown in between. That's the barbecue sauce. I think it's gonna taste pretty good. I've had barbecue sauce on pizza before, from Pizza Hut, I believe, and it was pretty good. So let's see how this is. So it looks like Tia likes it.
No.
Now I'm gonna try it. Okay, let's see here. Oh, this pizza kind of broke. It's pretty good, guys. Alright, guys, so it's a pretty cool day today. I'm just about ready to go to bed, and I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Good night. Peace.